Take number SH. What is it? Trip?
HS 501A and RB.
HS, huh?
HS 501A RB.
Oblique B. Trip. So potential high level.
Same thing.
This one, and take by standby.
And corresponding gate will close.
Yeah, correct. Okay, guys. So I hope I'm not missing anything. Guys, please help me if I'm missing. So this is correct. Okay, now we have to consider this also. I mean here. Grid. Now we are considering oil now. If you are coming here, this is oil and grease, and this is coming here. There is a potential high level here, so this can overflow. I have to consider here. Yeah. I will go for high level.
This is box.
High level.
So this is
in high level in tank SK 500.
That for aggregate. Because
SK 500 on
and X1 coming from. Also same thing happened with this is GE 550
high level.
That also leading to
Leading to, yeah, just leading to.
That is also.
Guys, one by one, otherwise we'll have some problem. What is LSH? LSH is here, LSHH 502. LSHH 502 in place. So I'm happy and LSHH. This is okay. Okay. So guys, I mean, we have seen all the nodes.
Also put the same condition for this.
With this one, huh?
This is screw.
What is the number? GA 501A.
501A.
Same, no?
Same thing.